you know that you and only you will improve your language's skills. So, let's begin now. There are 4 aspects to increasing your fluency: grammar, vocabulary, speaking, and listening. Of course, you will feel different impacts from them depending on the type of person you are. Visit our website to have a more specific approach. You know that later is better than never, so act now and start doing a difference in your life. Imagine your speaking skills opening the track for you to pursue your dreams and build a better lifestyle.
Past simple. We use the past simple to talk about actions and states which we see as completed in the past. We can use it to talk about a specific point in time. She came back last Friday. I saw her in the street. They didn't agree to the deal. It can also be used to talk about a period of time. She lived in Tokyo for 7 years. They were in London from Monday to Thursday of last week. When I was living in New York, I went to all the art exhibitions I could. You will often find the past simple used with time expressions such as these: yesterday, 3 weeks ago, last year, in 2002, from March to June, for a long time, for 6 weeks, in the 1980s, in the last century, in the past.
Before you see what else we have to show you, hit the like button and subscribe yourself. By doing this, more people will be helped, and you will see more videos on this. Now, let's keep moving.
You know that in order to consolidate what you have learned, you have to do a fast exercise for it. Now, let's see an exercise of past simple. 1. I to the mall after school. Gone. Went. To my brother a bear an hour ago. Seen. Saw. Sees. 3. Mike visit his grandmother last night. Did. Are. Does. 4. Alex did not last weekend. Working. Worked. Work. 5. Judy and Liz at last month's meeting. Was. Were. Are. 6. We not happy after the sad ending. Were. Was. Did. 7. You see Jody's new dog yesterday. Are. Did. Do. 8. Sorry, I hear you at the door. Wasn't. Didn't. Not. 9. I English for 2 years. Studying. Study. Studied. 10. What you eat for lunch yesterday? Do. Did. Were.
Before you see what else we have to show you, hit the like button and subscribe yourself. By doing this, more people will be helped, and you will see more videos on this. Now, let's keep moving.
Now, let's have the answers of the exercise. Answers of the exercise: 1. Went. 2. Saw. 3. Did. 4. Work. 5. Were. 6. Were. 7. Did. 8. Didn't. 9. Studied. 10. Did.
Before you see what else we have to show you, hit the like button and subscribe yourself. By doing this, more people will be helped, and you will see more videos on this. Now, let's keep moving.
Use what you learned. Try to identify the several forms of past simple in movies, videos, conversations, and use them. And, most important, notice that you want to use it when the main action is in the past, and it happened very fast or immediately.
Tell us which one you feel is better for you. Now, let's see some pronunciation. To pronounce beautiful sounds, you have to pay attention to vowels and consonants. You will want to sound the vowels vibrating your mouth and nose, and consonants posing a stop. At the end of the words, you want to faint the sounds. Hear and imitate the sounds of these extracts as many times you feel comfortable. Now that you have all of these, go to practice and create your own conversation. Go in the description to find our link and go deeper into your study to achieve your dreams. Thank you very much for watching this video, and be sure to be in touch with us. Keep up there and write your story. I'll see you at the next one. Take care. Bye for now.